Hi, Professor. My name is Shreya Bindra, and I'm here to present my assignment 3, that is for Microsoft Azure Image Classifier. So, as you can see, this is my Azure account, and this is my student ID 20004473320. So, as you gave an open-ended topic that we can choose any topic for this project, so I chose cell phone. So, I chose 3 cell phones basically: Samsung. I chose Samsung, iPhone, and Google phone. Let's see. So let's begin with the project. So let's start the new project here and give it a name as cell phone. As you can see, I've already created 2 projects, but never mind. So let's give it a style, artwork. I've already created the resource. So let's create the project. So first of all, we need to add the tags for the project. So let's give the tag cell phone. The other tag will be iPhone, then Google, and then it will be a Samsung phone. Thereby, we'll be adding the images. So as you can see, these are all the Samsung phones. So I'll add Samsung under my tag and cell phone, because again, all of them are cell phones. So while the images are uploading, similarly we'll add Google, the images for all the Google phones available in the market. I have not chosen I have like for an iPhone, suppose I am not only depending on the particular like phone particular model, sorry. I have chosen all the models that are available in the market right now, even if it's an old model. So for an iPhone, as you can see, you'll see it in the later video. So we'll go for a quick train test. The probability of the threshold is saying 50% while it's calculating the prediction and other things that are needed. So as you can see, the precision of my project here is 100%, but it's recalling only 50%, and AP is 79.2%. Samsung, iPhone, Google, all 0, and for the cell phone, the precision is 100%. So let's see what the stats are for this Samsung phone. It's saying that it's 99% phone, 99% a cell phone, but it's not a Samsung phone because it depends on the model, and it's overlapping 0.2% with the style of a Google phone, this particular model. Now going back for an iPhone. As you can see, it's overlapping 0.1% with the Google phone. And this is overlapping only 0.1% with an iPhone. Maybe it's a previous model. So let's go for a quick test and let's show what, let's see the predictions. So moving forward, if we go for the predictions, so for it's overlapping 98.9% with an iPhone, but only 1% with a cell phone. This overlaps only 0.2% with an iPhone, maybe because it's a previous model, or maybe it's a different model from the options I've chosen. So as I've told you, I've not specified any, I'm not choosing in the model as a criteria, only the cell phones as the criteria. The brand, as you can see, it's overlapping 2.4% with an iPhone now. Let's go for a Samsung phone now. As you can see, it's overlapping 45.8% with the Samsung phone. Whereas this overlaps 69.8% with the Samsung phone. Let's go for some examples for Google. Yes, so it's overlapping 98.5% with the Google phone. Whereas if we select the other model of a Google phone, the other image of a Google phone, it's overlapping only 40.6% with the Google phone. So basically, according to my understanding of the subject, so what I can see is the predictions are basically how much the images are relevant and how much they are, the quality of the image just uploaded. So as you can see, this in this image, only half of the phone is visible, and it's overlapping 92.6%, maybe because the cameras or other criteria must be similar to other Google phones, whereas only 7.3% overlaps with the cell phone. Maybe only since only half of the, more than half portion of the cell phone is visible, that's why the percentage here for this prediction is only 7.3%. Whereas as you can see here, it though like the percentage is 97.5% for a cell phone, and here it's only 30%. Maybe it's a foldable phone, that could be a reason. And here you can see it's 99.7% cell phone. So that's it for my video presentation, Professor. You can find the link of this video uh, in YouTube, and it will be there in the presentation. Thank you and have a great day, Professor.